0FXB, just a quick one here. So this is the Ulefone 20. It's got a walkie-talkie in it, DMI and analog. We're just testing analog actually. And listen to this. So if I just tap the PTT, we've set the same frequency and they're both on 77 Hertz tone at the moment. So let's just TX. Actually, we'll do it with the PTT. M0FXB. Of course, we're going to get an echo, so let's turn that right down. Now, if I just bring it over here to me, I'll just talk into this. Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo. So that sounds okay to me. Let's go the other way. I'll just bring this over here. So we're on the Armor 20, as you can see. M0FXB, Mike 0, Fox X-Ray Bravo. But it does sound fine, yeah? So just proof that well, this device, which I've got it on low power at the moment. Go to intercom. You can see low power. To change channel frequencies, you just go to see we're on channel 10. So go channel. Scroll up now. This is an analog channel, although it does do DMR. I can't see that it does slot 1 and 2, but that's another test. Go to channel 10. Let's have a look now. Yeah, look, so you got a number back. So look, channel 11. So you've got 10, 9, 8. You get it? Really, whenever you name a channel, you're better off adding the number next to it. Otherwise, you'll get a bit lost. But anyway, channel 10, hold it down. Then you go edit. And then in the edit section, and we're in analog mode, we'll go in HubNet. That's the name, frequency. Now, although both of these say receive frequency, one of them is TX. I'm going to do a separate video showing how you can recognize that. Because it does show it in a different window. Wideband. Now I was getting a whiny noise, so we'll change that to narrow and click select, so we can do some tests. Let me just move it to that one as well. Edit. I'm going to change that to narrow. So yeah, again, send type. That normally says the word wave, like it says here. Tap it. And then select CTCSS, okay? Like so. Then your tone, which is 77 on this particular node. Leave wave on the receive for now. Although we could try it. I might just put it on CTC. See if it gets rid of the whiny sound I was getting. Once you've done it, you definitely have to click the tick. And then if you want to test that channel, you need to, let's say we want to, this is why you've always got to put the number in, really. Say we want to test number 10. So that's fine. We're on number 10 now, so we can just go back, go to custom. It says 10. It doesn't say the name. Let's just try it on my HubNet node again.
Address 192.168.0.106.
So it is getting it, but it's picking up a whine, and that's the thing I don't know. Why is it getting the whine? So okay, bye for now, 7-3.